Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Do you remember what we learned in our previous lesson? Let's give a look at it. In English we say my, and in Urdu mera. In English we say name, and in Urdu naam. In English we say happy, and in Urdu khush. In English we say sad, and in Urdu udas. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's see. Star. We say star in English, and in Urdu we say sitara. Repeat many times. Okay, so the second word is balloon. In English we say balloon, and in Urdu we say gubara. So let's say these words one more time. Star, sitara, balloon, gubara. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, now let's learn counting in Urdu, and we will learn 1 to 5. 1. This is number 1, and in Urdu it is ek. 2, and in Urdu do. 3, and in Urdu teen. 4, and in Urdu char. 5, and in Urdu panch. 1 ek, 2 do, 3 teen, 4 char, 5 panch. Now let's rhyme and learn.
1 is ek, 2 is do, 3 is teen, 4 is char, 5 is panch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ek, do, teen, char or panch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ek, do, teen, char or panch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ek, do, teen, char or panch.
Repeat many times for practice. Do you remember how we say I or I am in Urdu? We say main. Now let's learn how to tell our age. So we tell our age and we say I am dash years old. So how old are you? We just learned the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's say I am 5 years old. So how do we say it in Urdu? We say मैं 5 साल की हूँ. I am 5 years old. मैं 5 साल की हूँ. Now it's your turn to say and tell your age. How old are you? Great. Repeat and practice more. Alright, I hope you have understood everything clearly and nicely. This is the end of our lesson. Listen to the video again. Repeat many times for practice. I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.